Hello, this is just a video just to help out anyone that's wanting to test the model and some accessories in Unity in the T-pose, but when they bring the model in, it's set to the idle pose because there's some animations attached to that model. So if you just want to test out some other models and accessories to see if they fit nicely on your model, but those accessories have been modeled in the T-pose and they haven't been rigged yet, and they're just not lining up with your original asset, you can just go to your original asset. I'll just show you there. You can see it's not lining up nicely. All the other legs are lining up nicely, but this one isn't. That's because the horse itself is in the idle pose. So you click on your horse or whatever asset model, and under animation type here under the inspector, your import settings, you just change that to none, click apply, and it'll update your model in the scene, and there you can see it's clicked back into idle pose, the T pose. Alright, so there you go. That's how to just force it back into the T-pose, so you can just test out your additional assets, see if they look good before having them rigged, skinned. Okay, thank you.